light hums in a fractured hall. Warm wires breathe through concrete walls. Chugging gallops pull me down. Deep bass punches shake the ground. Analog ghosts in metal skin. The signal cracks, I step within.
Gallop tight, the engine growls. Glitching lights like broken valves. Dreamy paths behind the fight. Aggressive hits ignite the night. Low in pressure, fast hit rain. Every bar rewrites the pain. Chaos walls begin to rise. Sharp riffs cut the data sky.
Sound, tune, grind. Organic bass beneath my feet. Grinding truth in polyrhythmic heat. Layered chaos, breathing fast. No retreat from present past. We fall through noise, we rise in flame. Pulse and bass speaks every name. Kayak walls, yet hearts align. We are the echo, endless time. Hold the note, let shadows bend. Infinity begins again.
Tremolo blades cut open space. Metal textures leave a trace. Fast builds crash with sub-bass drive. Every hit feels hyper alive. Sludge and distortion drag me slow. Then hyperdrive explodes the flow. Low and surges, sonic scars. We weaponize the silent parts.
Pulse, break, rebuild the core. Scratch the time, unlock the door. Stuttered breath, reverse decay. Drop at 3, 3, 8, 10, fade, then slay. Offbeat hearts in iron time. Reggae ghosts with metal spine. Choirs float on distortion seas. Harmony inside the bleed. Sing it wide, distort the truth. Chaos sings eternal youth. Palm you choke, then baseline sway. DJ Crush pulls beats away. Scratch and sweep, the rhythm bends. New metal leads refuse to end. Trap